right, guys, 2008 Ford Explorer 4x4 Limited. This is what it sounds like before. You guys can see it's very quiet. Give a guess. Again. Your sound decibels. Right at 80. As you guys can see, it's very, very quiet. One more. So we're gonna make it a little bit, give it a little bit more sound. So he brought his own Gibson system. There's a part number right there. It's 2 boxes. So we're gonna install this Gibson system on this Ford Explorer. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we showed you what it sounded like and looked like before. V8 Ford Explorer Limited 2008. So there's that kit we were telling you guys about. So it bolts on right here and goes into a muffler. It's all a 3-inch system. Gibson, please send better directions next time. And clearer pictures, colored pictures. 3-inch pipe over the rear end. And it's very tight and it hits here. Look, it hits everywhere. We've bent it, try to make it fit a little bit better. It is just a tight fit all the way around. He's gonna take that home and cut it off, he said so. So we left it on for now. But as you guys can see, it fits very tightly, but it fits. But it's a very, very tight squeeze, especially up there. Make sure you get it professionally installed. There's no way you guys are gonna be able to install it yourself. There's just no space. It needs that lift. But what I was talking about on the directions, guys, you cannot see anything in these pictures. Look, you can't see anything. You can barely read it. And they just put this picture like this, no color, nothing. It's like, come on, guys. Such a big company Gibson is. For them not to be able to at least offer colored pictures, it's kind of disappointing. So I want to put that out there for you guys. If you plan on ordering this kit from Gibson, be aware it's a pain in the butt to install and directions suck. All right, guys, here we go. Ford Explorer Limited V8 4x4 with a Gibson exhaust. That's idle, about 70. Give a guess. Oh, not bad. Again? Yeah, that's beefy, man. It's a good sound. You like it?
Hell yeah, baby.
You approve? Yeah. Again? It's got a throatiness to it. Not bad. A little pop. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital. That's a clean throaty sound. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Explorer V8 with a Gibson cat bag. different. Yeah. It's got like a weird sound to it. That is completely different than I expected. I like it. What do you guys think? Gibson exhaust.